So once more, I want to thank those who have managed to be with the part of to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now we go to the next lesson. So whereby we are going to handle about integers. So integers, they're also a very interesting topic. It's a very interesting topic whereby it needs your attention because anytime you can fail out of it. So now with the integers, first of all, before I bring out an equation, I'd like to first definition of integers. So first of all, integers, what are the integers? Integers, this is a set of whole numbers together with negative whole numbers. So integers is simply this is what? This is the set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers together with negative whole numbers. So integers, this is the set of whole numbers together with negative whole numbers. So you find in one what? In one line or in one number line, you find that the number line is combined, or you find all numbers of negative and positive numbers in one line. So you find that one side is negative, the other side is positive. So that's why I'm saying the definition of integers. This is the set of whole numbers together with negative whole numbers. But what I want you to mark mostly, what you need to know about the numbers. So numbers to the left of 0 are less than 0, and they are called what? They are called the negative numbers. So those numbers in the left, they are less than 0. They are what? Negative numbers. Then numbers to the right, they are greater than 0, and those numbers are called what? They are called the positive numbers. What am I saying? Let me draw one number line, then I will show you how it works. Because when I'm explaining like this, you might not be understanding. So this is our number line. So now from our number line, we have our center point is here. So in our center point, we shall have 0 in our center point. Then the numbers to the, as I was saying, the numbers to the left, those are the what? The negative numbers. Then the numbers to the right, they are what? They are positive numbers. So let's start with the positive one. We have positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, and many others. Then to the left, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and many others. So, as I've already said, explained to you, the numbers to the left, these are what? These are negative numbers. Then to the right, these are positive numbers. This side we have here, these are negative numbers. Then this side we have positive what? Positive numbers. Let's separate this like that. So we have positive and negative. So they pull each other. Now coming straight to our example on integers, I'm going to handle some few, then others I will leave it for you, then you work it out. More so, let me first handle on addition of integers. So I'm going to handle examples on addition. We have examples examples on addition. So we are going to handle on addition. Then the next one we shall handle also on subtraction. So now on our addition, we have that we are told to do what? Use the number line. Use the number line to find the value of A part. We have positive 2 plus positive 3. Then B part, we have negative 3 plus negative 4. Then Roman number C part of it, we have positive 7 plus negative 5. So those are our integers, numbers. So what are we going to do when you get such type of equation? And we are told to use the what? The number line. So when we are using the number line, in our solution here, what we are going to do, in our solution, in the A part, whereby we have positive 2 plus positive 3. So what are we going to do in our A part, which says positive 2 plus positive 3? What we are going to do on the number line, we are going to move 2 steps from 0 to positive 2. And then from this point, from the point we stopped, we move further 3 steps to the right to represent positive 3. Then when you find our final answer is going to come up, so I'll get final answer of positive 5. So it's the same like when you're adding 2 plus 3, you get 5. So positive plus a positive gives you what? A positive. So we are just going to add like that. Now as I was saying in our solution, let me just draw our what? Our number line, then we handle this. Our number line for this equation, our number line, then just draw it here. So remember, we're going to that is our number line. So in our number line, we have let's have here starts here from 0. Then here we can put here negative 1. Then here put here 1. Here 2. Here 3. Here 4. We have here what? 5. Then here 6. So, and our line continues. So now our first equation says that they want us to get what? The positive 2 plus positive 3. So positive 2 plus positive 3, what are we going to do? We are going to come from 0. From 0 we go to positive 2. From 0 to positive 2. This is positive what? 2. Then from positive 2, we proceed to positive what? To positive, we add positive 3. So when adding positive 3, this is 1, 2, 3. We add positive what? Positive 3. It ends there. So this is positive 3. Now our final answer here is going to give us positive what? 5. Here we have here. We have up to here. So here we have positive what? Positive 5 as our answer. So therefore, we have our answer here is going to be positive 5. That's how you find the number using the number line. So now let's go to the B part. We have B part, they're telling us negative 3 plus negative 4. So how are we going to handle this? Still the same. We are told to use the what? The number line. So when we are still using the number line, we shall still proceed and draw our number what? Our number line. So that is our number line. So from our number line, we shall mark. We are going to mark it. Let's mark from here. Let's put our 0 here. Put here 1. Put here 2. Put here what? 3. Then here we have here negative 1. Negative 2. Negative 3. Then next one we have negative 4. Negative 5. Negative 6, negative 7, then we have negative 8 and many others. So you can still name your number line up to where you need it. So now we have negative 3 plus negative 4. So now we shall first go with the negative 3 from here, from our starting point. This is our starting point. They want us to go up to negative what? Negative 3. So we have our negative 3, which is here. We can come and we stop there. That is negative what? Negative 3. Then we shall proceed plus. They told us to plus negative 4. We shall also, from where we have stopped here, we again add negative 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So whereby we shall go up to negative 7. From here we shall come up to here. This is where we are going to end. You see, up to negative. So here we have negative what? Here we have negative 4. So what is our answer once you reach there? Negative 4. Now our final answer will now be negative what? 7. You can now put from here up to your starting point. This is the negative 7. So your answer now here is going to be negative what? 7. That is your final answer. Then we come lastly in the C part. C part of it, we have C. We are told to get positive 7 plus negative 5. So positive 7 plus negative 5, what are we going to get? Still, by the use of the number line, we shall still get that what? The final answer. So we have, let's draw our number line. We draw our what? let's draw our number line. Our number line we draw here. Then we put our numbers. So now we shall start our numbering from here. We have our 0. We have here -1. Then we have here, this is +1 because we are going up to +7. Then we have +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7, +8, +9. You can still proceed up to where you want your number line to reach. Now we are going to do the first one. We have positive plus a positive, positive plus positive. This will change this one to be a negative. Positive plus a positive, you get a negative. Now we have, first of all, we are going to first go up with our positive up to number +7. This is positive what? +7. Then from +7, we shall now, they are told us to add -5. So how are we going to add our -5? We shall, from +7, we shall come back. We shall subtract 5. So how are we going to subtract this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We shall end here. So when you subtract your 5, you will come up to so this is your starting point. Starting point up to here. Up to where? This is -5. So what will be your final answer? Your final answer here will now come from 0 to 2. We have positive what? 2. And our final answer here is +2.